Hi, Namaste. Welcome back to our DL Educational channel. Today I will explain 4th and 5th class basics Indian and international system. What is the difference of Indian system and international system? This is Indian system. In the Indian system, first period is unit period. In this three digits are there. Three digits are ones, tens, hundred. This is the unit period. And next thousand period. In the thousand period, two digits are there. 1000, 10,000. Then lakh period. In the lakh period, lakh, 10 lakh. Next crore period. Crore period, crore, 10 crore. In Indian system, first three digits are one period. Next afterwards two digits, one period. First three digits there is keep comma. Again next two digits 1000 period after comma. Next lakhs period after keep comma. Then crores. So this is the Indian system. This is international system. In the international system, this is unit period, this is thousand period, this is million period. In this unit period, ones, tens, hundreds, three digits are there. Similar to Indian system. And a thousand period. In the thousand period, 1000, 10,000, 100,000. 1000, 10,000, 100,000. This is the thousand period. Here also three digits are there. Then million period. In the million period, million, 10 million, 100 million. Here also three digits are there. This is the million period. In the international system, every three digits before we keep it comma. International system, first three digits we keep commas. Then here every three digits before comma. First three digits comma, again three digits comma, next three digits. Now let us go to the Indian system. Some examples. 560354158. This is one number. So we write the first divide with commas. Ones, tens, 100. There is keep comma. 1000, 10,000, comma. Lakh, 10 lakh, comma. Crore, 10 crore. So we can read this 56 crore 3 lakh 54,158. 56 crore 3 lakh 54,158. This is the number. So we can write the number name 56 crore 3 lakh 54,158. Next one 705342,605. This is another number. Now here divide with commas. This ones, tens, hundreds, comma. 1000, 10,000, comma. Lakh, 10 lakh, comma. Crore, 10 crore, comma. Ones, tens, 100, divide, comma. 1000, 10,000. Here divide, there is keep comma. Lakh, 10 lakh. Here keep comma. Then crore, 10 crore. 70 crore, 53 lakh, 42,605. This is the number name. We can read this 70 crore, 53 lakh, 42,605. Next one is, this is the another number. 0 ones, 6 tens, 9 hundreds, 0,000, 2 10,000, 0 lakh, 0 10 lakh, 0 crore, 5 10 crores. Now first ones, tens, 100, comma. 1000, 10,000, here also on comma. And lakh, 10 lakh, here also comma. Then this is the crore, this is lakh, these two digits thousands, these three digits unit place. So this is 50 crore, there is no lakhs. 50 crore 20,960. 50 crore 20 lakh 960. This is the number name. Next, international system. International system. In this 560, 354, 155, this is the one number. Here divide with commas first. Ones, tens, hundred, there is comma. 1000, 10,000, 100,000, comma. Million, 10 million, 100 million. Okay, this is the unit period. In the unit period, there are 3 digits, ones, tens, 100. This is unit period. Next, 1000, 10,000, 100,000. This is 1000 period. These 3 digits are 1000 period. Next, million, 10 million, 100 million. This is the million period. Now we read 560 million, 354,158. Once again, 560 million, 354,158. Now we written number name. Here next number is 705342605. Now here also ones, tens, 100, comma. These 3 digits in unit place or ones place. Then 1000, 10,000. These 1000, 10,000, 100,000. These 3 digits are 1000 period. Here million, 10 million, 100 million. These 3 digits are million period. 705 million, 342,605. Once again, 705 million, 342,605. That is the number name of this number. Next one is 500020,960. So here ones, tens, 100 separate with comma with 3 digits. Then 1000, 10,000, 100,000. Now these 3 digits write the separate. Next, million, 10 million, 100 million. This is million period. First 3 digits are units period. Next 3 digits are thousand period. Next 3 digits are million period. Now we can read this 500 million. Next 20,960. 500 million, 20,000. There is in 100,000 place, not there any digit. So we read 20,000 only. Then 960. 500 million, 20,000, 960. This is the number name for this number. Okay. Thank you to everyone.